What's up, you guys? It's 2022 and this is my first ever video for the year. Kaya naman nag-decide ako, guys, that I will be sharing with you my current favorite products either on myself or what I like to use on my clients. And meron din ako dito mga tinry na mga bagong products na na-release ng mga brands. So without any further ado, let's head on to the first product that I want to share with you guys. And this is actually a bag from the Everyday PH. Shout out to Miss Winnie Wong. If you're watching this, thank you for sending this over. I really like this bag because I find that this is super helpful for me. Kasi yung bag na to, guys, is customizable siya. Depende sa lifestyle mo. Whether you're an artist, an athlete, I'm currently using it as my lipstick bag. Yes, you heard it right. Lipstick kit siya ngayon. And laman nito ay, of course, lahat lipsticks lang talaga. I bring a lot of lipsticks for my work so that I can cater to my clients' needs, and I find that this bag is super helpful for me. For the top level, I have here mga matte lipsticks, and yung mga matte lipsticks ay nasa taas siya because I find myself using matte lipsticks often. And for the bottom layer naman ay yung mga satin lipsticks, mga lip mousses, and mga glosses. Madami actually compartments yung bag na to, pero ito lang yung ginagamit ko currently because hindi ko naman need yung iba. So, meron mga pang gadgets, mga pang brushes, pang jewelry, but for now, ito lang muna yung ginagamit ko. And speaking of lippies, I have to share with you guys my current go-to lippies. So first, we have here yung Vice Cosmetics collaboration with BTS, and this is their cheeky blush in the shade Everyday Nude. So you can use this on your cheeks or on your lips. I prefer to use this on my lips because matagal na ako naghahanap ng nude shade in a tint-like consistency. And bihira tayo makahanap kasi, guys, ng nude shades in a tint-like consistency dahil palaging reddish, orange, or pinkish, which is nakakasawa siya for me, and it's just not my preference. So if mahilig ka sa mga nude shades and you want it in a tint consistency, then I highly recommend this lippy sa inyo. Next, go-to lippy of mine is yung sinusuot ko ngayon, which is actually a combination of 3 lippies. So we have here from Sunnies Face and Kloss Beauty. Ginagamit ko yung shade na BDay to contour my lips. And for the rest of my lips, I fill in ko siya with Kloss Beauty's Off Duty and yung Sunnies Face na Nudist. Kino-combine ko sila para hindi gaano ka-pink yung lips ko and hindi din gaano ka-nude. Another lippy that I have been using again and again and again is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. This is their creamy tint in the shade Wintermelon. But hindi ko siya actually, guys, ginagamit as my lippy nor my blush. I am using it as my color corrector, and it's such an effective color corrector. Yung ginagamit ko ay super duper small amount lang talaga kasi I noticed if I use a lot, then nagmi-mix siya sa foundation on top. Kaya when you use this, guys, napaka-konting amount lang talaga na parang tint lang siya on top of your under eyes. Kasi, guys, if napasobrahan ninyo, manonotice nyo that the foundation or the concealer will turn orange and it will make your makeup wonky and parang useless lang na nag-color corrector kayo kasi nangingibabaw yung pagka-orange niya. But if you apply this correctly, then you'll be able to cancel out the under eye darkness and you'll be able talaga to brighten up your face with this one. Meron tayo dito mga bagong lippies from Vice Cosmetics, and this is from their newest collection. So this is their Powerpuff Girl collaboration, and they released tatlong Power Velvet Puffs. But aside from these, meron din silang mga, ayan, ito yung PR nila. Meron silang mga lashes, a blush, we have also a liquid type of blush, and mga liquid cream eyeshadows, which is excited akong i-try ito. But hindi ko matry ngayon ito sa video na to. But isa-swatch ko yung tatlong Power Velvet Puff. So the first shade that I'll be swatching is yung shade na Super Cute. Yung shade na Super Cute is a pinkish mauve kind of shade. And it actually reminds me a lot of the Sunnies Face na Fluffmatte in the shade 143. And I rarely like mga mauves. Hindi talaga ako maka-mauve na girl. But as soon as I wore this, parang nagustuhan ko siya. At hindi ko alam, napupusuan ko siya. So if I have to rate this from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest, I think I'm gonna give this a 5. Also, I have to mention yung texture ng lippy na to. Napakaganda niya on the lips. It's like a pillowy, soft kind of feel, which is really, really nice. Although I feel like this lippy doesn't set. So careful lang when you use this underneath your mask. Next shade that I'm gonna be swatching is yung shade na Team Awesome. Okay, so yung Team Awesome, guys, as I'm looking at my selfie notes, kanina parang bet ko siya, pero ngayon naman parang 50-50 ako sa lippy na to. The reason why is because it's a little bit too vibrant for my preference, but maganda yung shade na to. I feel like in the previous years, mababet ko yung shade na to. But recently, yung mga go-to ko ngayon ay mga deep shades or nudes. Kaya naman, I'm gonna give this a 3. Last shade that I'll be swatching is Are You Puff Enough? Yung shade na Are You Puff Enough really gives off that tough, buttercup vibes, kaya I'm really here for it. And also, parang nag-resonate siya ngayon sa current preference ko, kaya naman, I am gonna give this a 5. Overall, nagustuhan ko naman yung Power Velvet Puffs. I like the applicator. Yung applicator niya pala, guys, it's a reservoir tip applicator, and it's also in a teardrop shape, so you can get a lot of product in just one dunk. And again, I really like the texture and the feel on my lips. And gustong-gusto ko yung shade selection dahil kahit collaboration siya with Powerpuff Girls, yung shades ay nagkikater pa rin sa mga ka-age natin. Wearable pa rin siya. Kasi usually, guys, kapag nagko-collaborate yung isang brand sa mga cartoon type na brands, like for example, Hello Kitty or Powerpuff Girls, Barbie, usually yung mga shades na ino-offer nila for their lippies ay vibrant. It's just way too bright for the Filipina skin. Kaya naman, I'm really happy that they offered mga wearable shades. Another new release sa market natin ay yung the Everyday fragrance. So we have here 3 new scents. So meron tayong ng Yuzu, Rosenberry, and Nectarini. Yung go-to scents ko ay Rosenberry and Nectarini. But aside from this, guys, meron din akong another fragrance na gustong-gusto ko ngayon, which is from Body Fantasies naman. This is their Cucumber Melon na fragrance, and naka-standby ito sa professional makeup kit ko so that kapag haggard na haggard ako, I can refresh myself. Makikita niyo to sa mga drugstores, Watsons, or mga department stores. It's very affordable. For my brows, go-to ko pa rin talaga, guys, yung brow refiner ng Issy Co. So, I'm mentioning this now because bago na ngayon yung go-to shade ko. So, this is in the shade Taupe. So, before, yung ginagamit ko ay yung shade na brown. But, when they released this, ito yung perfect talaga for my hair color. Another product that I have been loving from Issy Co is yung eyeliner duo nila, but specifically yung kanilang felt tip end. I'm not a big fan of felt tip eyeliners because they dry up fast. But yung Issy Co, hindi, guys. Matagal. Actually, hindi pa siya nagda-dry out hanggang ngayon eh. Matagal na tong eyeliner duo sa akin, but yung felt tip end niya ay it still glides so well on the lids. Kaya this eyeliner really surprised me. So, if gustong-gusto nyo yung mga felt tip eyeliners, but yung issue nyo lang talaga is mabilis sila mag-dry out, then I highly recommend yung Issy Co na eyeliner duo. Kaya lang, yung catch ng felt tip eyeliner nila is when you apply it on bare skin, then nagbe-bleed out talaga yung eyeliner na to. Kaya I recommend that you have to wear foundation and powder underneath before applying this. Last but not the least, dahil medyo maarte ako ngayon sa hair ko, gusto ko yung brush ko, yung comb ko is non-friction para hindi nakaka-cause ng hair breakage. So, the comb that I have here is a wooden comb. I've been eyeing this sa Shopee ng matagal na, but finally, I have it now. Yung friction kasi, guys, yun yung hair na nakikita nyo gumaganyan. Ayan. Ayaw na ayaw ko yan, guys. Nakakasira ng style, and also nakakasira talaga siya ng hair. Yung mga plastic combs or plastic brushes, yun talaga yung gumagawa ng friction on the hair, and it causes breakage. So, nagkaka-brittle yung hair, split ends, and all that. So, yun guys, yung mga current favorite products ko. Let me know in the comment section below kung ano yung mga bet nyo, napupusuan nyo na products or what. If you want to know how I do my makeup, then I have my makeup playlist tutorial right here. And meron din ako guys mga lip swatches para mabudol ko kayo lalo. So, the playlist will be right here. And of course guys, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Just remember, no hate, just love.